Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to replace our side mirror switch. Come on, let's begin. All right, so for this is the one that has a backlight on it. So it has some illumination. So this doesn't work once you change it to this one. So the function basically will be the directional pad and the left and right. So this will be an easy plug and play, and if you want to purchase this, you can purchase it from cartrimhome.com. I'll put the link in the description. You can use my discount code which will be FG7P, and that will save you 7% off your purchase. So yeah, so this will be an easy plug and play on the uh, car. So let me show you the stock one. All right, so to begin, basically, we just need to remove this panel and unplug the factory switch. As you can see here, I don't have that switch for the mirror. So, and I believe that function doesn't really work even it's in there. It is disabled. So basically the upgrade that you're getting from this one is you're getting some light in here. So this will light up. Yeah, so right now, as you can see, all of the switches, the windows, and the locks are lit up and not that. All right, so let me show you how to quickly do this. So on this one, you need to pry out from here. Okay, so just pry it out. There you go. And lifts up, and once you lift it, you just pull it out, and then just unplug the two harness in there. Just unplug them, and then we need to get this one out of here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're going to remove this. So if you want to use a pry tool, you can do it. Just be careful on prying it. But I'm gonna try just to pull it out from the bottom here. So there's some clips in here. So again, let's try to pull it. There you go. So just pull it, okay? And yeah, so nothing is broken. And then what we're gonna need to do is we're just gonna simply put this back here. There you go, clips in. Now with the harness, we need to figure this out. Again, it's a plug and play. It shouldn't be that hard. So this will match the one in here and it will match the one in the car. That should, well, they should match. So let me remove the tape. All right, so I removed the tape. So with this goes here. So just match it. And this one goes in here, okay? And then the one on the car basically goes here and goes here. So this is like it's tapping the power from here, I believe. So it's getting some power for the LED. So just want to make sure it is snug. All right, so now let's go in the car. So again, just a reminder, the top one for the folding mirror doesn't work, okay? So let's go in the car and put this in. Okay, so now again, the harness, we just need to match this too. So first, I'm gonna match this one. There you go. The second one, just match it. And before we put it in, we need to test it if it works, all right? All right, so once everything's plugged in, we're gonna test it. So I'm just gonna put it in here. I'm not gonna clip it in yet. So I'm just gonna turn off the lights and we're gonna go inside the car, right? All right, so we're inside the car now. Let's test it out. So let's turn on the lights. There you go. Nice. So we have some lights now. when adjusting the mirror. Nice, I like them. So let me turn it off, turn it on, off, and on. Nice, like them. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. Again, it's going to be available at Cartrim Home. You can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% from your purchases. And yeah, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.